Good morning. Welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm Liz and I'm here in the California Native Basin Meadow at the Arroyo High School Farm Lab. As we know, Earth Day is coming up on April 22nd, so all month long we're going to be talking to you about different environmental impacts you can have in your community. So today we're going to talk about something that's very prevalent in the Americas, and you've probably seen memes or maybe you've heard of videos going around about this, but it's a very hot button issue right now, and it is how to decolonize your yard. So if this isn't something you've heard before, let me give you a little background information. So typically a house that has a yard in the front with grass and shrubs on the side, that is a European concept that was brought over to the Americas with colonization. So in England, before any democratic system was created, the kingdoms would show their wealth and prosperity by having large lawns of rolling grass. And what that meant at that time was that you didn't have to grow food on your land. So it meant you were so wealthy, you could just grow grass and you would have fields and fields of grass. So at the time, that was how you showed your wealth. And if you were anything other than royalty, you would probably be growing food, beans, wildflowers, and all kinds of things. You wouldn't have a yard, you would just have like a little farm on your land. So that idea came over with colonization, that to show wealth you have to have this like green lawn, and over the years it just compounded and compounded, and now it's so deeply ingrained that we have lawns but we don't really know why. So what this has led to over many years is a lack of biodiversity and a loss of habitat for our native species. So I'm sitting in front of a gorgeous white sage plant. It's so fragrant. I can smell it just sitting next to it. There are so many gorgeous California native plants and flowers that you can put into your yard that will not only support pollinators, support biodiversity, it'll also help with the flooding and water. So when it rains, as infrequently as it rains here, these native plants will help capture and store groundwater, as opposed to grass, which roots only go down about 2 inches. So other than playing sports or having a picnic, grass doesn't really serve us any purpose. So I encourage you to plant more diverse species in your yard, supporting pollinators, making sure you're pruning things at the right time of year and learning about native species. This will make a huge impact if more people would remove their lawns and put in natives or edibles or both. We would make a huge impact in Southern California for our total biodiversity and urban heat island index. So if you'd like to learn more about this and how you can install edibles or natives into your own property or space, please reach out to us at ecourbangardens.org. I'm happy to answer any of your questions, and please subscribe for more videos about Earth Day. Thanks, bye.